67 Ford Mustang Coupe here at Unique Specialty and Classics. C code 289. C4 automatic transmission, nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC car from the factory. Take a look at the chrome bumper up front, bright work grille. Did notice this trim piece, there's a little bit of a dinger in it right at the point of the hood there, and one kind of little dinger right there in the hood. This bright blue metallic paint though, it shows well, nice shine to it. Check out the still pictures. You're gonna be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, the exterior shots from every angle. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That'll take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. It's riding on steel wheels, kind of painted to match, and then of course the Mustang wheel covers. Some BF Goodrich radials, as you can see there. Let's take a look down this passenger side. See, the panels look straight. That paint, again, does have a nice shine to it. I did notice there was a little bit of bubbling, and you'll be able to see that in the underside pictures at the bottom of that door. But again, the paint has a nice shine to it. Appears to be nice and straight. Black vinyl interior, center console. Full aftermarket stereo, and we're going to get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. And of course, if you stick around to the very end of this video, we'll take it down the road, kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will, show you how it drives out. First, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Get a good look at the rear of the car, and again, you can see the chrome in the rear bumper, nice shape, that bright work around the tail lights. All right, so we do have true dual exhaust, long tube headers, and it is a newer dual exhaust with Flowmaster mufflers. You're going to be able to see that in the underside pics too, and those underside pics, UniqueClassicCars.com. Check them out. Tech noted newer wheel cylinders, and also stated the Speedo does read a touch faster than you're really going. That might help keep the speeding tickets down, maybe. Just a little heads up on that. It was like 5 to 8 miles an hour tops. So we take a look down the driver's side. Again, that blue paint, man, it really pops. If you're into Mustangs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here. Could be some later model high performance Shelby GT, Super Snake, maybe a Celine or a Roush. Or it could be a 64.5, very original one. You never know. So subscribe to our YouTube channel. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and you can do that online or right off our showroom floor. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Door panels looking good. And you'll be able to see the interior of this car from every angle, as well as the exterior. Again, trunk, engine bay, all in those still pictures. All right. We should probably start this up. See how it runs. I did notice we do have the hood with the turn signal indicators. Both of those working. Little aftermarket stereo. And I did have this working earlier. Just got to get to a station here a second. Hear that nice deep throaty exhaust note. Say that'd be one. So stereo works, and I did notice the antenna hasn't been pulled up either, so I get a little better reception of that antenna pulled up. Top of the dash looking good, and listen to this. Very nice throttle response too. Really no major rips, tears, holes, anything in the interior. Headliner. Got some 6x9s on the rear deck. Door closes nicely. Hey, listen to this. Little rumble coming out of that 289. There's an easy one to get open. Alright, so underside of the hood, that's also nice and clean and tidy. There's that engine bay. And again, AC compressor right on the top. That may need to be recharged. Another thing the techs noted is it does have new valve cover gaskets. And there is a battery disconnect over here for when it's in between drives or maybe in storage. There you go. Good look at the power plant. And again, you'll be able to see that in the still pictures too. 1967 Ford Mustang Coupe. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1967 Ford Mustang in a nice blue metallic color. This is an automatic on the center console. Our turn signal indicators are working as they should. Speedometer also working. Nice tone coming out the tailpipes of this car. Oil pressure about, it's almost halfway up the gauge, which would be good. The alternator gauge below that, just above half, which is showing that we are charging. Wipers work on this car. Temperature gauge is just coming off of cold. Jensen stereo.
Sailors these days, when I'm at home, I get what I need.
I have not tested the cassette, but FM is working as it should. Nice looking vinyl bucket seats in this car. Headliner looks good. Dash is looking good. Really a nice blue color on the paint. The steering wheel is tilted a little bit to the right. That doesn't affect performance at all. Letting go of the wheel, it stays nice and straight, which means we have a good alignment. Brakes nice and smooth, easy to brake. Got the wood steering wheel with finger grooves. Nice acceleration in this Mustang. Definitely want to take a look at all the pictures. See if this Mustang is the one for you at uniqueclassiccars.com.